Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today I am going to explain you the concept of fraction. Children, let's know the definition of fraction first. What do you mean by a fraction? What do you mean by a fraction? Fraction means a part of a whole. Fraction means a part of a whole. For example, if we have a one apple, if we make this apple into 4 pieces, then we will represent this as 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So, the representation of the two numbers is called as fraction. Have you understood it? See, the fraction is represented by two numbers, one written above and the other below a horizontal line. The number which we write above the horizontal line, above the horizontal line is called a numerator. Is called a numerator. Children, have you understood what do you mean by a numerator? Means number which we write above the horizontal line is called numerator. Then what about the number which we have written below the horizontal line? A number which we write below the horizontal line is called a denominator. Yes. Now, children, we come to know about the numbers. The numbers written above the horizontal is called as numerator, and the number written below the horizontal line is called as denominator. But we don't know what we call for this horizontal line. This horizontal line is called as vinculum. Please repeat after me. What we call for this horizontal line?
Vinculum.
Yes. Have you understood what is the definition of the fraction? How we will represent the fractions? Yes. If you have understood, I will go to the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Now we will go for types of fraction. Types of fraction. See, children, here mainly we have 3 types of fractions. That is proper fraction, next improper fraction, and mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction.
Other than these types, we have another 2 types of fractions. That is
Unlike fraction, unlike fraction.
Other than these types of fractions, we have 2 types of fractions. That is like fractions and unlike fractions. Unlike fraction. Yes, children, I will repeat you one more time. Just say a fraction means a part of a whole. A fraction means a part of a whole. A fraction is represented by 2 numbers, one written above and the other below a horizontal line. Number which we write above the horizontal line is called as numerator, and the number which we write below the horizontal line is called denominator. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next concept is types of fractions. Normally we will tell 3 types of fractions, but Another two types of fractions also there. The first fraction is proper fraction. Second fraction is
Improper fraction.
Third fraction is
Mixed fraction.
Fourth is
Like fraction. Fifth is unlike fractions.
In this lesson, you are going to study about all these types of fractions. Let me tell to the definition of proper fraction. Shall I continue? Yes, ma'am. Yes. Anybody have the idea what do you mean by a proper fraction? Yes, children, it is very easy. See, proper fraction. Proper fraction. Children, you know we will represent the fraction by two numbers. That is, for example, 2 by 3. For example, 2 by 3. Here, numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. Numerator is less than the
Denominator.
Numerator is
Less than denominator.
The fraction
The fraction
which have two numbers and numerator must be smaller than or bigger than?
smaller
Numerator must be
than
denominator. Smaller than
denominator.
Then that fraction is called as
Proper